Hey there, this is the ProtoArc Ergonomic Keyboard. It is model EK04. Comes with this mini ergonomic keyboard and then separate number pad. It's designed to make long work days way more comfortable. The ergonomic split design keeps your hands and arms in a more natural position, and it reduces strain and makes typing feel so relaxed. It also includes the separate number keypad, so you can position it wherever is most comfortable for you, or you can move it out of the way when you don't need it. You can connect up to 3 devices using the included USB dongle or 2 wireless Bluetooth connections. Switching between your devices is as easy as pressing a button. And the hard palm rest gives your wrist solid support, and it keeps your hands aligned and lifted, which really helps during long typing sessions. It's also USB-C rechargeable, and they provide 2 high-quality USB-C to USB charging cords, and one charge lasts so long, and it will automatically save power when the keyboard is idle. After using it for a while, the layout feels natural, the build is solid, and the flexibility with the number pad is a huge plus. So if you're looking for a more comfortable, customizable multi-device setup, the ProtoArc Ergonomic Keyboard is definitely worth checking out.